it's me Mandira. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to my cousin's house to meet my grandmother. She has come from Mysore. So let's go meet her. Bye all of you. Wait, where is my mask? Where's my mask? Thanks. Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye. This is my cousin brother Vishishta. He's only 2 years old. Say hi. Hi. He's naughty, but I love him.
Hi Mandira.
Hi. She's my grandmother and she has come from Mysore.
Hi.
I have 4 days holiday for the festival.
So, what's your plan for Ganesha festival?
I don't know. I want to learn something new.
Shall I teach you eco-friendly Ganesha?
Yeah, I would love to do that. Let's get started.
Forget what they doing, keep on doing.
She does lot of artwork. If you want to learn how to make eco-friendly Ganesha, please watch and learn.
We need Maida, half cup turmeric, 2 tablespoons sugar powder, red and green food coloring, cloves, toothpick, 2 spoons, white color, water, and for decoration we need betel leaves, flowers. Take a bowl and add half cup maida to it.
Now add turmeric. Mix it while adding water. The dough is ready.
Now we'll make the dough into 12 round balls. Let's make a green color dough. Add maida, then add sugar powder, then add green color full tablespoon food dye. Now let's make a dough.
Repeat the same procedure for red and white dough.
The doughs are ready. Now we'll make the Ganesha. Take a green dough and make a leaf for Ganesha's base. Now we'll make 2 curves as Ganesha's legs and 2 smaller balls for Ganesha's feet. Attach the feet to the Ganesha's legs. Take a big ball for Ganesha's body and attach them to the legs or place them on the legs. Now we'll make a smaller ball for Ganesha's chest. Take 2 smaller curves for Ganesha's hands and 2 smaller balls for Ganesha's palms. We have already placed the head. Now we are placing the trunk. Now for the eyes you can use cloves, now we are placing the ears. Doesn't it look cute? Now we are using the red dough for making Ganesha's turban. Follow the same procedure to make Ganesha's turban. Use a green dough for making the leaf and place it on a turban.
Okay, Mandira. Now Ganesha is ready, Modaka is ready, and mouse is ready. We can arrange the plate and decorate the plate. Okay? By this. This is betel leaves. Okay.
Like this?
Yes, good.
Yeah. Now let's decorate the house.
Sauce in between.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's decorate with the mouse and what else? Okay. Which sweet are you preparing for Ganesh Chaturthi?
I am preparing modak, kargadgu, then turmeric leaf iradye, that is very famous in Dakshina Kannada, Udupi and Mangalore. Then poha, panchagajjaya. Oh, Mandira, your Ganesha is